Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to see local addresses associated with IPv6 address. So there are two types of addresses associated with IPv6. The first one is the link local address and the second one is the site local address. Here this local address is a prefix field is of 8-bit field. When there is a link local address, this 8-bit field will be followed by 10, and when there is site local address, then this 8-bit field will be followed by 11. Means total prefix field for this link local address and the site local address is of 10-bit. Let's see link local address. This link local address is used if a LAN uses the internet protocol but is not connected to the internet for security reasons. It has three important fields. The first one is the prefix field. This total 10-bit field belongs to prefix field. Next field is of 70 bits, contains all zeros, and last field is of node address which has 48 bit. This is about the representation of link local address. Now these link local addresses are particularly used in a local area. This is the local area. In local area, here the devices are there inside this local area are interconnected with each other. Okay, means all these devices are in a network, but this complete area is not connected to network. Means this complete area is isolated. Because of this, it doesn't have any global effect. It is mentioned here, nobody outside an isolated network can send message to the computers attached to a network using these addresses. Means this is the area that uses these addresses, link local addresses. Whatever the computers are there outside the network are unable to send message to the computers or the entities or the devices inside this area that uses the link local addresses. So that is about the link local address. The next one is the site local address. This site local address is having the same purpose as the link local address. It is particularly used if a site with several networks uses the internet protocol but it is not connected to the internet for security reasons. As far as the representation is concerned, it has prefix field of 10-bit. Then remaining field is of 38 bits that contains all zeros. There is field for subnet address is of 32-bit, and the next field is of node address. It has 48 bits. That is about the representation of site local address. It is used in an isolated network and does not have any global effect. Here there is a local area network, and this local area network is completely isolated, and this isolated network doesn't have internet. So that's why there is no internet, there is no global effect. The same thing as we have seen in the link local address. This is small network, means local area network. It uses site local address. Here outside entities cannot send message or unable to perform communication with the entities inside the local area network, this area, because this area belongs to isolated. So that is about the site local address. Next part is the multicast addresses. So these multicast addresses are used to define group of hosts instead of just one. We know the meaning of multi. Multi means more than one. That is many. It has four important fields. First one is the prefix of 8-bit. It has all ones. Second one is the flag of 4-bit. Next one is the scope of 4-bit, and the last one is the group ID, which is of 112 bit. Let's see all these field one by one. Flag field is there. That flag field defines a group of addresses as either permanent or transient. Permanent group address is defined by internet authorities and can be accessed at all the times. And the transient group address is used only temporarily. Example is system engaged in a teleconference. That is about the second field, which is a flag. Yes, it has two important things. The first one is the permanent and the second one is the transient. This permanent uses the bit pattern 0, 0, 0, 0, and transient uses the bit pattern 0, 0, 0, 1. Transient is basically temporary. That is about the second field. It has third field, that is scope. It defines the scope of group addresses. It has bit pattern 0, 0, 0, 0 for reserve, 0, 0, 0, 1 for node local, 0, 0, 1, 0 for link local, 0, 1, 0, 1 for site local, 1, 0, 0, 0 for organizational local, 1, 1, 1, 0 for global, and 1, 1, 1, 1 for reserve addresses. That's about the multicast addresses.